Hello and welcome to English Made Easy. I'm John.
And I'm Laura. Welcome back, everyone. Or if you're brand new here, a huge welcome to you. We are so glad you found us.
English Made Easy is the podcast where you learn real, everyday English just by listening to two normal British people having a chat.
That's right. No boring grammar drills, no long vocabulary lists. Well, almost none. We do have a little list later.
Yes, we do, but we keep it fun. So today, Laura, where are we going?
Today, John, we are going to the mall.
Oh, brilliant. I love the mall. I'll be honest, mostly because of the food court.
And I'm going for the shops, obviously. So, listeners, today you are going to hear loads of really useful English words and phrases.
You'll learn how to ask for directions politely, how to shop for clothes, how to order food, and how to buy cinema tickets.
All the things you actually need when you're out and about in England. Grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's go to the mall.
Right, so here we are. We've just parked the car, which took absolutely forever. The car park on a Saturday is always a nightmare.
Always. We went round the top floor 3 times before we found a space.
Very frustrating, but we're here now. Look at that. Big glass doors. Here we go.
I love that feeling of walking into a mall, that rush of warm air and the smell of... Is that cinnamon buns?
It's always cinnamon buns. They pump that smell through on purpose. It's a trick to make you feel hungry.
Well, it's working. Right, I want to find the clothes shops. I'm not sure where they are. Let me ask someone.
Good idea. And listeners, this is important. When you want to ask a stranger for help in England, you start with "excuse me." It's polite, it's friendly, and it always works.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Could you tell me where the clothes shops are, please?
And the lady said the clothes shops are on the ground floor and first floor, just past the escalators on the right.
Brilliant. Thank you so much.
Right, let's look at those words. Ground floor. In England, the ground floor is the bottom floor, the one you walk in on. Above that is the first floor, the second floor, and so on.
In America, they call the ground floor the first floor, which can be a bit confusing if you're visiting England for the first time.
Yes, very confusing. But in England, ground floor means the bottom. Easy to remember.
Another really useful question when you're navigating a shopping center is, excuse me, is there a lift nearby? A lift, that's the British word for elevator. We don't say elevator, we say lift.
So if you're carrying heavy bags or you've got a pram with you, just ask, is there a lift nearby? And you'll be pointed in the right direction.
Right. Shall we head to the clothes shops?
Let's go.
Here we are. Oh, I love this shop. It's so bright and colorful.
Very bright. Right, I actually need a new shirt. My old ones are getting a bit worn out.
Oh, brilliant. There are loads over here. What size are you?
Medium, usually. Sometimes large, depending on the brand. It's very inconsistent, honestly.
The eternal struggle. Oh, what about this blue one? It's lovely.
Right, you know what? Let me leave the shirt for now. I'm absolutely starving. Food court?
Ha! Yes, food court it is. Let's go.
The food court. Now this is my happy place.
It does smell amazing in here. Pizza, burgers, noodles, so much choice.
Right, I want pizza. Listeners, when you order food in England, the polite way to ask is, could I have or can I have? Both are natural and friendly.
You can also say, I'd like. Perfectly fine too. Very common in cafes and restaurants.
Could I have a large cheese pizza, please, and a Coke?
And I'll have a Caesar salad and a sparkling water, please.
Now, the person serving you might say, would you like anything else? Meaning, is there anything else you'd like to add to your order? Or, is that for here or to take away? Meaning, are you eating here or taking it with you?
We're eating here, so for here, please.
Now, there's a bit of the queue here.
Queue, that's a very British word, spelt Q-U-E-U-E. It means a line of people waiting their turn. In England, we queue for everything. Buses, coffee shops, supermarkets, cinema tickets, everything.
To join the queue means to go and stand at the back of the line and wait your turn, and you should never ever push in. That's very rude in England.
Very rude. Right, here comes our food. Grab a tray. That's the flat plastic thing you carry your food and drinks on.
Time to pay. Can I pay by card, please? Tap. Done. Brilliant. £14.50 well spent.
Right, let's find a table. Cheers.
Cheers. And listeners, cheers in Britain doesn't just mean when you clink glasses. We also use it casually to say thank you, well done, or even just goodbye. Cheers, mate means something like thanks, friend.
Very British, very useful. Right, this salad is lovely. Shall we do something after this?
Right, before we head off, time for our vocabulary spotlight. Today we have just 3 keywords, really useful ones. Get your pen ready.
Word number 1, queue. Q-U-E-U-E. A line of people waiting their turn. There's a long queue at the checkout. Queue.
Word number 2, contactless. Contactless. Paying by tapping your card or phone, no PIN needed. Can I pay contactless? Contactless.
And word number 3, cashier. Cashier. The person at the till who takes your payment. Please see the cashier. Cashier.
So, queue, contactless, cashier. 3 brilliant words you'll use every single day in England. Write them down, say them out loud.
What a day at the mall. The car park, the clothes shops, the food court. Brilliant.
All real English from real situations. No textbooks needed.
And the best way to keep improving is to keep listening to our podcast. Just keep coming back. Every episode will help you grow.
Don't be afraid to speak, even if you make mistakes. Every mistake is just a lesson in disguise.
A huge thank you to all of you for listening to English Made Easy today. We genuinely love making this for you.
Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.